How to fix Brother's scanner not working in Windows. So first of all, if you are using the software, make sure you have downloaded the correct one. So you can do this by choosing the specific model of your printer and then just downloading the specific one. Then you can go ahead and finish the installation. But you should be able to see the model name over here to pretty much confirm and continue with the installation. But other than that, there's another way you can go ahead and try fixing this. So first of all, you can go to your keyboard and press on Windows and then R at the same time. What you're gonna have to do is type this in specifically, so msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic. Then just go ahead and press on OK. After you've done that, this hardware and devices section will pop out. Then you're going to go ahead and press on next over here and it's going to automatically detect problems for you. So you're going to go ahead and wait for that to finish and then just follow with the further on prompts. So you'll be able to see what to do next after that. So this is very simple. Now, next after that, you're going to go ahead to your device managers, which you can do it by searching and then typing in device managers, of course. Now, in your device manager, you're going to go ahead and look for print queues. And in your print queues, look for root print queue. Click on that one, right click, and then press on update driver. You have two options, which is to browse your computer for drivers and which is to manually install it for you, but it's much better to do this option, which is to search automatically for drivers. So Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and automatically install it into your device. So if it says this, the best drivers are already installed, that's good. You can go ahead and do the other options, but if not, you're gonna go ahead and finish the installation. But those are a few options you have to potentially fix this problem for your Brother printer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.